how to use NFC on iPhone with iOS 18. So if you want to turn off NFC, or if you want to use the NFC on your iPhone iOS 18, unfortunately, we cannot do it anymore in these settings. So if you want to do it on your iOS 18, then you need to open the application, which is your shortcuts. If your iPhone is newer than iPhone 12, then you will have this application pre-installed on your phone. And if not, you can easily find it in your app store by entering shortcuts, and you will find the shortcuts application. So open up your shortcuts application. Now you will be on this tab named shortcuts, but now we need to switch to the automation option, which will be in the bottom. So click on the automation and then go with new automation, or go with the plus, which will be in the top. And now scroll down and you will find an NFC option. Once you find, you need to tap on the NFC. Now here you need to just simply go with scan, which will be in the right side. And after that, you'll be able to scan the NFC tag that you would like to do with the help of the NFC. Unfortunately, this is hard and this is not easy to get the NFC feature, but this is the only way that you can get if you're thinking about paying with the help of Apple Pay. In that case, the NFC will be enabled automatically and you don't need to do it anything. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.